You are all welcome to Better Faith e-learning platform. My name is Mr. Benjamin Obi, and this class is basically for Primary 5 and Basic 5. So this morning we're having mathematics, and the topic is time. Time in minutes and seconds. So this morning we'll be dealing on the 24-hour clock. The clock we use every day, that is, most of us we use clock at home. And at times even our parents will ask us that what says the time. So the clock we use every day is a 12-hour clock. We'll tell time by reading the time shown on a clock face. That is, we'll tell the time by looking at the clock, and once you look at the clock, you should be able to tell the time. Looking at by reading the time shown on a clock face. If you look at the board, we'll have two different clock face. The first clock face is the 12-hour clock. The 12-hour clock, which is usually the commonly type of clock we use at home. And the B part is the 24-hour clock. The 24-hour clock. There is another type of clock called the 24-hour clock, and this can be found in places such as we have railway stations, airports, and radio stations. So this 24-hour clock can be found in places like railway stations, airports, and radio stations. It's number the hour after midnight from 1 to 24. It numbers the hour after midnight from 1 to 24. In the 24-hour clock, we'll write time using four digits. The first two digits from the left is the hour, and the last two digits for minutes. This is a standard method of telling time. That is, we'll have the normal 12-hour clock and the 24-hour clock. At times, even when some of us watch some of these television programs, the time you see on the screen, at times they represent it using the 24-hour clock. So this morning we'll be dealing on time, telling the 24 conversion of time from 12-hour clock to 24-hour clocks, and from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. So let's look at the example we have on the board. Rewrite the following using the 24-hour clock. We'll have the 11:35 a.m. A.m. simply means anti-meridian. That is in the morning, during the morning time. 11:35 a.m. 11:35 p.m. p.m. stands for post-meridian, that is during afternoon. Then we have 2:05 a.m. and 5:15 p.m. So looking at the 24-hour clock, let me explain the 12-hour clock. The 12-hour clock is numbered from 1 to 12. The 12-hour clock is numbered from 1 to 12, and the 24-hour clock is numbered from 1 to 24. In the 24-hour clock, once it gets to 12 o'clock, the next number that we'll read on the screen will be 13. That is, 1 represents 13 in the 24-hour clock, and 2 represents 14 in the 24-hour clock, 3 15, 4 16, 5 17, 6 18, 7 19, 8 20, 9 21, 10 22, 11 23, and 12 24. That is why it is called the 12-hour clock. So once it moves from 1 to 12, and we are about getting to afternoon time, it will now change to 13. That is, 1 will represent 13. Maybe you see the number, the shorthand is pointing towards the shorthand. Maybe the shorthand is towards 1. The shorthand is pointing at 1, while the long hand is pointing at pointing at 12. In the 24-hour clock, we'll write the time to be what? 13:00. We write the time to be what? 13:00. It means 1 o'clock. Is that taken? So we're writing some of the numbers. From normal 12-hour clocks to 24-hour clock. We have 11:35. 11:35 can be written as 11:35. We want to write 11:35 in 12-hour clock. AM, it simply means we are still in the morning. AM simply means anti-meridian. So if you want to write 11:35 in 24-hour clock, 11:35 is the same thing as 11:35. So once you see this number 11:35, it simply means it's still the same thing as 11:35. 11:35 can be written in this form in 24-hour clock as 11:35. So the B part we have to write 11:35 p.m. 11:35 post meridian. So during afternoon time or during during afternoon time, yes. During afternoon time, we have 11:35 can be written. Once we look at 11, 11 represents 23 in the 24-hour clock. So we have 23:35. 23:35. So 11:35 p.m. can be written as 23:35. Remember, in 24-hour clock, we normally write 24-hour clock using a 4-digit number. In 24-hour clock, we write the time using 4-digit number. The first 2-digit number represent the hour, while the last, on the left-hand side, represent the hour, while the last 2-digit number represent the minute. Then, if we want to write the C part, we have 2:05 a.m. We want to write 2:05 a.m. That is 5 minutes past 2 a.m. a.m. means in the morning. If we want to write it in 24-hour clock, it's the same thing as 02:05. 02:05. If you want to represent it, 02:05 represents is the same thing as 5 minutes past 2 in 24-hour clock. So if you want to write the final number, we have the D part, 5:15 p.m. If you want to write 5:15 p.m., 5 in 24-hour clock represents 17. 17. If you want to write the p.m., it represents 5 represents 17. So it's something at 17:15. So this is the method of writing time in 24-hour clock. Let me recap again. We have 11:35. 11:35 a.m. can be written as 11:35. It still remains 11:35. Then we have 11:35 p.m. If it is p.m., 11:35 p.m., we'll quickly look what the value that 11 represents in the 24-hour clock. 11 represents 23. So we have 23:35. The minute remains the same. It is only the hour that will change. The hour will now become 23:35. And 2:05 will still represent 02:05, that is 2:05. Then we'll have 5:15 p.m. Once it is p.m., you quickly look at what the value 5 represents in the 20. Looking at 5 5 in 24-hour clock, 5 represents 17 in the 24-hour clock. So the time is 17:15. So 17:15 is also the same thing as 5:15. Is that statement? Then we have our example 2. Rewrite the following using the 12-hour clock. We have to write the following using the 12-hour clock. We have 10:30. So it's something that if you want to write it in 12-hour clock, 10:30 is the same thing as 10:30 a.m. And 18, the B part, 18:08 represent, look at the value, the first two values. What does 18 represent? 18 in the normal 12-hour clock is 6. So the value is 6:08 p.m. The value is 6. 18:05 is the same thing as 6:08 p.m. if we are to write in the 24-hour, in the normal 12-hour clock. And finally, we'll have 20:35. 20 represents what? 20 represents 8 in the normal 12-hour clock. In 20 represents 8 in the 12-hour clock. So write 20 represents 8. 8:35 p.m. So this is a method we use in writing time in either 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock. Let me recap again. Rewrite the following using the 12-hour clock. We have 10:30, 18:08, 20:35. You have to write these numbers. These numbers, they are in 24-hour clock. These times, they are in 24-hour clock because they are dealing with time. The time is in 24-hour clock. So 10:30 can be written as the normal 10:30 a.m. A.m. simply means anti-meridian, showing that the time is in 10:30 in the morning. Then 18:08. Now we look at what 18 represents in the 12-hour clock. 18 is the same thing as 6. Look at 6. It's something as 6. 18 represents 6, so the time is 6:08 p.m. So 18:08 represents 6:08 p.m. post meridian, and 20:35 can be written in the normal 12-hour clock as 18:35 p.m. So this is just the method of writing, converting time to rewrite time, either in 24-hour clock or in 12-hour clock. The example 1 shows, we use the example 1 represent writing time from the normal 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. While example 2, we are writing the time from 24-hour clock to the 12-hour clock. This is just a method of writing time, telling time, either in 24-hour clock or in 12-hour clock. So we have some practice exercise. Practice exercise. Practice exercise 1. Rewrite the following. Rewrite the following using the 12-hour clock. Here we have 3 o'clock p.m. B 2:15 p.m. C 7:25 a.m. 2. Rewrite the following using the 12-hour clock. Okay. B will have 21:15 and 19:25. So practice exercise. Question 1. Rewrite the following using the 12-hour clock. That is, we have to use the 12-hour clock. Using the 12-hour clock, we have 3:00 p.m. Rewrite the following using the 24-hour clock. Rewrite the following using the 24-hour clock. That is, we have to convert this time to 24-hour clock. Question 1. We convert this time to 24-hour clock using the example we have on the board. If you follow the example on the board, you should be able to write correctly. You should be able to write this time correctly. Then question 2. Rewrite the following using the 12-hour clock. That is, we should convert this time to 12-hour clock. Thank you and God bless.